Today's project. First, measure your usual pack size. Then, decide on the colors to use. Cut two main pieces that hold the tissue. Mark a center line for the front piece. Sew zigzag stitches around the line for the tissue pulls. This is to reinforce the slit so it lasts longer. Now you can cut the slit. Cut pieces for the eyes, pupils, and blush. I like funny eyes. You can make them any way you like. Burn the edge of the elastic band to prevent fray. Pin the elastic bands in place and sew them down. I sew two lines for extra security. Match the pieces together. Blanket stitch the top and bottom. Place the tissue pack so you can position the eyes better. When you're happy with the position, glue them in place. Now, just slid it onto the sun visor. Thanks for watching.